The Middleton Community Orchestra has come up with a great theme for their next upcoming concert, and here to tell us a little bit more about it is Larry Bevick and also Naha Greenholz, the guest artist for this program. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
And Larry, let's start with you. Middleton Community Orchestra made up of community members, and what's the theme for the program coming up on Wednesday?
Well, the theme is all English composers. And it came about in sort of a strange way. We had a completely different concert planned at one time, and as we started taking out and adding pieces, it became more of an English idea. And then I thought, well, we could bring in something like the Handel, which is very, very old English, and then we were able to we were looking for a piece that used a soloist, and one of the natural pieces that came up was the Lark Ascending, which Naha's going to play with us.
So Naha, tell us a little bit about the piece that you'll be playing.
Well, the Lark Ascending is a beautiful ethereal piece by Ralph Vaughan Williams, and it's absolutely appropriate for a program called The British Are Coming, as actually Vaughan Williams and Holst were kind of the Bartok and Kodály of Britain, in which they went around the countryside and collected folk songs, and we're part of the Folk Song Society, and so it has a very English sound, but it's a wonderful piece to play with this orchestra. A lot of the time the orchestra provides a nice lush velvety bed, almost a nest of sorts, on which the violin soars on top.
Thought of it that way.
So.
And you have a special connection to this, that we have a guest conductor for that particular piece.
Yes. Well, I'll be conducted on this piece by my husband, Kyle Knox. It's also his debut with the Middleton Community Orchestra, and I've worked with him on orchestral pieces before, but this is my first time being conducted by him on a solo work, and so I'm really looking forward to that.
Now, Naha is also the new concertmaster for the Madison Symphony Orchestra. So I've always kind of wondered, what does the concertmaster, what are you responsible for?
Well, when you come to a concert, of course, you see us walk out on stage into the orchestra, and we also play the solos, the violin solos that are written into the part. And that's kind of the most visible part of the job, but also there's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that goes on during the rehearsal process throughout the week. When you come to rehearsal, you know, you come with a concept of how the piece sounds, but as the week goes along, it's more of a collaboration between the conductor and the orchestra, and so the concertmaster kind of acts as a liaison and tries to facilitate the conductor's musical vision for the piece.
Well, the community will have a wonderful opportunity to hear you play a solo and also to share with the entire orchestra. The British Are Coming. It's at the Middleton Performing Arts Center on Wednesday, November 14th at 7:30. We thank you both, and it looks like a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you.